to talk a bit slowly because my brother is sleeping, and it is currently, I think, 1:30 a.m. 1:30 in the night. I think this was spontaneous, you could say, and I missed talking to you guys. I had a bit of a different topic in mind. The topic, I think, that would be better for next video. This topic ka credit goes to my friend Anvesha, and she always watches my video. She's always commenting on my videos. So Anvesha, if you're watching, I love you. And this topic was her idea. I think this would be comparatively a shorter video. So basically, she told me we were talking on the phone, and sometimes it is a bit difficult to realize how much of a good person you are. So ज्ञान मेरे को लोगों से बात कर भी आता है. At the end of the day, when you are expressing yourself, when you are talking to others, you just realize ki how much of a good person, how much of a kind-hearted person you are. And self-realization is important, guys. And sometimes the self-realization is not enough, and self-realization को बार-बार याद दिलाने के लिए the universe puts us in many situations, and वो situations ऐसे होते हैं. Example, talking to a friend. So basically, me and my friend Anvesha, we were talking on a call, and वो call में just realize होता है कि how much you have changed since before, how much you have improved, how much you have set your boundaries, which helped you in any way possible. I think setting boundaries is important because in a way it makes people respect you and your boundaries. I have certain boundaries. For example, I have boundaries like I don't like to joke about anyone's weight in general. So if a guy or that person, if a person is joking about my weight or joking about my friend's weight, so I don't like that. So I'll just tell the person ki okay, मेरे को इसके बारे में jokes पसंद नहीं है. If you could not make jokes about the situation. I think the things you like, the things you not like, and being firm about that is very important. Otherwise, people just walk all over you. And sometimes that boundaries also make you the villain. So I think just be prepared for that. At the end of the day, तुम लोग जितना खुद में confident रहोगे, तुम लोग जितना खुद को जानोगे, and वो जान के तुम लोग कितना खुद को accept करोगे, I don't think any criticism will affect you if you know yourself very well. I got to know this lesson after 3 years in my college, and even though the 3 years were not well, I found some very good friends there, and I am very grateful for them. So I was talking to Anvesha. She just told me ki your confidence, your self-respect, self-worth towards yourself has grown a lot. She just thought since we met I think we met last year, so she does not know about my past life or how I was. Past life, what the fuck? Not past life, past experiences. So she does not know me that well. I don't think my current friends know me that well. No, besides 2 or 3 people, I don't think anyone knows me since school ke time pe. So she was just telling me ki you seem very confident. I cannot imagine you without confidence or anything. I'm like, yeah, that was a difficult that was a difficult thing to overcome. So basically in school, as I said, I think in my previous painting videos, you can check that out. Painting videos, I said I got bullied in school. It was not Maramari wala bully, thank God. Very grateful, still very grateful. My hands and feet were not harmed in that way. But I was bullied emotionally a lot, and that I was from girls' school, and that girl, I have hatred towards many people. I think it would take time to overcome that, and I don't blame myself actually for that. कि hatred रखना बुरी बात है. It just means कि you are letting the people's energy affect you. I don't मतलब रहेगा भी सच. I don't know much about that, but I think giving yourself time to heal from that is also important. So अगर hatred है किसी इंसान के बारे में रखो, लेकिन खुद के अंदर ही रखो. इन की तरफ मत निकालो वो. It's useless honestly. So there was this girl, she used to always bully me, and I couldn't do anything about it besides agreeing with her, laughing with her, laughing with the jokes. She used to poke fun at my weight. She used to poke fun at my facial features. Was up. And tabhi I used to think I was fat, but I was not fat. I was just chubby, which I still am. But I like the chubby thing about myself. It's back then I used to think I was fat, but I was not fat. So she used to like tease me a lot for my facial features and my weight, and I just used to laugh with it. I never told her like कि मेरे को पसंद नहीं आ रहा है ये मत कर करके. So I don't think I have regrets about it. I just think कि if I met my younger self, I would give her a hug first of all and tell her कि you are a good person, and I think that's enough. So school में self worth, self image का बहुत problem था, and that continued towards junior college. And even though junior college 6 महीने के लिए ही था, and उसके बाद कोविड हो गया, I think those 6 months were the best 6 months of my life. It's just थोड़ा घर से फ्रीडम मिल रहा था कि अकेले जाने का ट्रेन से, ये चलने का, फ्रेंड्स बनाने का उधर, and it was just all new. It was just nice. It was just fun. It was amazing. लेकिन तभी भी सेल्फ वर्थ का इमेज तो डाउन ही था मेरा. सेल्फ वर्थ कुछ ऊपर नहीं हुआ था. आई थिंक आई जस्ट गॉट ब्रेवर यू कुड से, क्योंकि अकेले ट्रैवल करना मैंने कभी किया नहीं था इतना दूर. स्पेशली आई थिंक माटुंगा, या तो फ्रॉम चेंबूर टू माटुंगा, मतलब चेंबूर टू माटुंगा तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, मतलब एटलीस्ट मेरे लिए तभी थी. So I think I just got braver, so I was like very proud of that fact. And तभी भी लोग चिढ़ाते थे, लेकिन उतना severely नहीं था. मतलब that much part was fine. Still, I disagreed with a lot of things back then, but I couldn't do anything about it again. And compared to junior college quarantine में तो मेरा हाई टाइम था. I was comparing इतना, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा comparing होने लगा. So during COVID, like जब भी थोड़ा ये COVID का जाने लगा and लोग like बाहर जाने लगे and all, I was not allowed to go out, and I saw many people on Instagram going out, and I was like कि ये लोग जा रहे हैं, मैं नहीं जा सकती. I mean, I understandable क्योंकि मैंने कभी वैक्सीन और भी नहीं लिया था. So I was just comparing myself a lot back then with others. Oh, they can go out, they can chill, they can meet people. So तभी भी COVID 2020 starting was really good. Then it just got down right bad. And then again, people did not accept me. I don't think it was about accepting. People just मेरे क्लास में ऐसे लोग थे जैसे they just needed someone to backbitch about. Backbitch किया, एंड बस हो गया उन लोग का, मतलब और कुछ उन लोग को वो टिपिकल फ्रेंडशिप वाला कनेक्शन नहीं चाहिए था, सिर्फ एक हेटर का ग्रुप बन गया, हो गया. And I was like, I still don't understand how I survived second year. I really don't get. And second year हो गया, बहुत सारे फ्रेंडशिप्स तोड़े, मतलब टूटे. मैं ग्रुप से लीव हो गए क्योंकि आग लग रही थी उधर, हर जगह जिधर मुड़ रही थी उधर आग लग रही थी. एंड कितना भी एक्सटिंग्विश करने का ट्राई किया, वो एक्सटिंग्विश ही नहीं हो रही थी आग. एंड देन TY केम. I switched from psychology to sociology क्योंकि psychology जम नहीं रहा था. And I was actually very disappointed about that because I wanted to major in psychology. So I was even though I loved sociology, my marks were really good in sociology. But मेरे को I had likes in some other subject like psychology. But after a year of being sad, I was like कि भाई जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, come on, let's do major in sociology. And I started loving it. I knew I would like sociology and I was like कि right decision लिया, because at least I was not suffering, so it's better than suffering, I guess. And then TY में फिर से कलेश होने लगे. एंड आई वॉज लाइक कि मैं कितना निकलने का ट्राई करती है कलेश से, तभी भी पीछे आता है. सो द सेम फ्रेंड ग्रुप में से थोड़े लोग ये क्लास में थे. एंड आई वॉज लाइक कि तू बात मत कर मेरे से, मैं तेरे से बात नहीं करती हूँ. बट स्टिल फॉर मैनी रीजन्स वी हैड disagreements, even though the teachers were being diplomatic. Obviously they cannot take any sides unless it's something serious, and this was just petty arguments, at least including themselves into the argument. So yeah, that was good. So I was in another friend group again, and I was like ठीक है, this seems good, this seems nice. And then this friend group was a weird. See, I have heard many rumors about myself, and I was like कि भाई तुम लोग को जो गॉसिप स्प्रेड करने का करो, आई रियली डोंट केयर. बट इतना झूठ, ओ माय गॉड, मतलब खुद को इन लोग को कितना अच्छा पोर्ट्रे करने का है. सी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे लोगों को लगेगा तो वो खुद सही है, ठीक है, and you cannot do anything about it besides being logical about it and solving that shit. And if the shit is not solving itself, not itself, if you're putting your efforts in that argument to be solved and it is not helping, leave. It is scary to be all alone, which I did not wanted to do in those 2 years of my life. TY के 5th sem तक I had a group of people, and I was super scared to be alone because I did not wanted to be alone. I had situations which I was like, yeah, I have to protect my peace. I left. Best decision ever. It is better to be alone than being with a group of people which makes you insecure and shitty about yourself. Leave. You are better than this. Even you know that. ये बोल के खुद को मिरर में मैं तो निकल गई थी वो ग्रुप में से. The funny thing is कि मतलब in the second year I don't think the arguments got serious. I just left. तो second year वाला उतना affect नहीं किया मेरे को. I just thought it would last long. So I feel कि थोड़ा affect किया मेरे को. But in TY I think I already gave up hope in that friend group. But it's not like I never gave any efforts. I think efforts तो जा रहे थे, क्योंकि जो कर रहे हो पूरे मन से करो. Is one thing I agree with. I came back from this trip and I just thought कि भाई कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, because they were not answering to my texts and we had this event the very next week. Yeah, so we were planning about it. And Anvesha, the girl which gave me this topic, this girl saved me. It is so weird because it is weird, it is funny. It is funny, it's not weird, it is funny. I think it is so funny because you accused me of this very thing which I know from childhood. Which I know from childhood. I would never do this to anyone. And you accused me for that. I was just stunned. I was laughing because this दिस मेरे को पता था मैं इधर गलत हूँ ही नहीं, ठीक है, सबसे पहली बात मैं हूँ ही नहीं इधर गलत, ठीक है, बिकॉज द थिंग द आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से इट, द थिंग वॉज सुपर फनी बिकॉज बीइंग accused for this, oh my god, you just have to be a petty person for this, you just have to be petty to accuse me for this reason, because I know for a fact I would never do that. This is the one thing I've never been accused of. First of all, ड्रामा किधर से किधर पहुंच गया. पॉइंट, मेरा पॉइंट था कि दिस रीज़न वॉज वेरी फनी. लास्ट का मैंने इतना अच्छा बोला था. इट ऑल गॉट डिलीटेड बिकॉज माई फोन सेड कि हम लोग और रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे मीडिया क्योंकि स्टोरेज बस हो गया. माई पॉइंट वॉज, आई फॉरगॉट ऑल्सो व्हाट आई सेड. माई पॉइंट वॉज कि experiences shape you, but perspective also matters. It is up to you if you want to focus on the good or the bad. It is difficult to stay positive all the time, but at the same time it is better than keeping hope than not keeping hope at all. I am grateful for the experiences I've had until now. I am grateful for the friends I have right now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to share your experiences, please comment below, or you can just rant in the DMs of my Insta. That is fine too, and I respond to my DMs क्योंकि मेरे कुछ काम है नहीं technically, even though wait I am busy, but yeah, doesn't matter, I will respond to the DM. The next video will be fun because this is something I wholeheartedly believe in and not much people do, so I think it would be an interesting topic. So see you guys next week. Bye.